Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and in today's video we are doing a product review slash demo. Okay, something new for the people. Okay, we're gonna do that for you all today. If you want to stick around, or I hope you stick around and watch the rest of the video, we'll get right into that very soon here. But before we get into that, please take this time out to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button I think is over here on this side. Click the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. I am going to review and try out some products from J Organic Solutions. They sent me a few of their products to try out and do a review for you all. So we are going to, get Charmaine together. She needs to be washed. Okay, so we're getting ready to get in the shower here and wash, and I will, like I said, demo the product for you all. We have the shampoo, the J Organic Solutions Growth Plus Hydrating Shampoo with aloe vera and green tea extract. This shampoo gently cleanses the hair and scalp while promoting growth. So I'm excited to use that. I actually like aloe vera for my hair, so I'm excited to use this product. And then for washing, we're going to use, well, this is the conditioning phase of it all, the Argan Oil Hair Mask with keratin protein, ultra hydrating deep conditioning treatment with organic Moroccan argan oil and vitamin B5. So I'm excited to use this one as well. It says here on the label that you can use it as a rinse out conditioner, like leave it on 3 to 5 minutes, or you can use it as a deep conditioner. I am going to use this as a rinse out conditioner today. Don't have time to deep condition. Okay, so we're gonna do it for a rinse out conditioner. And then we are going to style the hair with the J Organic Solutions Growth Plus Strengthening and Growth Moisturizer. This is claims to eliminate breakage and dryness with rice milk and sulfur. So we're going to use this to style the hair. And then we also have this Growth Plus oil, and we're going to use some of this on my edges. Y'all know they're a little thin. We'll use it on my edges, and I'm going to use it on this side of my hair. This side of my hair is not as thick as this side, so just kind of try to plump it up a little bit. I don't know, just try and use it on that side more so than on this side. So I'm excited to try the product. So we just finna hop right on in, and I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts as I'm using them. Okay, so we can go ahead and start to shampoo. So again, we're using the Growth Plus Hydrating Shampoo. If the camera will focus for you all. Oh, off bat, smells really good. So there's the texture for you, or the consistency for you all. Not really creamy, but like just right. I'm using a lot more than I probably should. And here we go. Little ASMR going for y'all. Okay, so I'm already liking the shampoo. I like light shampoos anyway, like watery, I guess. I think they work a little bit better for Charmaine here. Get that scalp, child. Okay, so off bat, my hair still really feels really good and hydrating, so like I'm okay with that. I like that. I like that in the shampoo. That's still going to keep my hair hydrated and moisturized. So now we're gonna go in with the Argan Oil hair mask, and I'm gonna put that on. So let's go ahead. I'm heavy-handed on my conditioner, so I'm taking a lot of it here and putting it in my hair. And we're just gonna put her on Charmaine. Now, I see it's giving me extra and added shine, so extra added shine. I said that right? Yeah. I'm going in for some more. That's just who I am. And I like how it's just really absorbing into my strands. I really like that, and not sitting on top of my hair. Don't forget your ends, sis. Oh yeah. I love that this is absorbing right on in. I really do like that. Okay, so my hair feels really good. Like after I brush that in, oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead, tend to this side of my hair, and I'll be back after I've rinsed out the conditioner so you all can see how it looks afterwards. And then we're gonna jump into the styling. So I'll be back. Oh yeah, my hair feels so good, and she smells equally amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Charmaine is giving what she's supposed to give. Okay, so I'm getting ready to style. I'm just gonna do a chunky twist out because that's quick. That's my go-to style most times because it is something that's quick to do. Doesn't take up much time. I am going to use the growth oil on my scalp, so I'm just gonna kind of massage it in a little bit. And got this handy dandy dropper. To style my hair, we are going to use the Growth Plus Strengthening and Growth Moisturizer. And just to read here what it says about this product. It says this, okay, so you can use this like a leave-in as well as a styler. I'm using it as a styler today. And we're going to go ahead and get popping on this. So all right, everybody, this is the final look, and I must say Charmaine is giving what she is supposed to give. My hair feels so good. It's light, it's bouncy. Oh my gosh, it's shiny, it's soft, it is everything. Okay, so if you are looking to try out some new product, I encourage you to try out the products from Jade Organic Solutions. I will leave their information in the description box below. Make sure you check them out so you can get into these products, because sis, I mean Charmaine is giving me all kind of life. And like the volume, it's the volume for me on like day one. Like legit, I did my hair today. Like it's the volume for me. I don't usually get this volume until maybe like day 2. Even if I pick it, I did pick it out a little, but I didn't pick it out that much, and I didn't even stretch my twists. If you watch me on Instagram or any other videos, y'all know I stretch my twists in the drying process, and I didn't even stretch my twist. So for me to get this volume on unstretched twist on day one, come on, you got to get into it, okay? So she is really giving me what she's supposed to give, okay? So Charmaine is pleased, I am pleased. Go check out the products from J Organic Solutions. Again, I'll have the information in the description box below. Don't forget, follow them, hit them up on Instagram, Facebook, and check them out, okay? Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. If you tried out the products, let me know. If you haven't or you think about it, let me know in the comments as well. Anything else you all would like me to preview or demo and review for you all, let me know in the comments as well. I'm highly pleased with my hair, as you can see. Oh my god, yes girl, yes. So that's all I have for you all today. I hope this video was very beneficial for you, very helpful, especially if you are looking for new products. Again, highly suggest that you go check out J Organic Solutions. All right, that is all, and I'll see you all on the next one. Y'all have a good week, y'all have a good day, a good month, and baby, a good rest of 2021, okay? All right, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.